Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for joining. So today I wanted to be a little bit creative and show you guys how to make those cute little pom-poms out of a stuffed animal. So any stuffed animal that you have with like pom-poms on it. So I happen to have a unicorn. So at the end of the unicorn's little paws here, I'm going to use these as little hair pom-poms. So you're just going to need this and some scissors. It's just like the bottom part of it. Careful when cutting. Works. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to place it right here underneath it, just like grabbing the little ball so it stays. So there's one. You can either pin it or you could rubber band it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other side, a little bit under there. More of the stuffing out of there. Don't mind my one nail, it broke. And then I'm just going to take the pin and just pin it like this. That way when I just place it, it'll just place as so. So now I have pom-pom DIYs for my unicorn. And if you do lose these, you have an extra pair. So let me know if you guys try this DIY. This was just a short clip on how to make pom-pom little hair bows. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.